Hi guys, my name is Christy and welcome to my mukbang. I hope everyone is not panicking. So today for my mukbang, I'm going to talk about a few things. One is this Chinese food that I got. All of this I actually ate maybe about I want to say like 2 bites of everything earlier today when I got it because I was super hungry, and it's been a very busy morning. So from this morning, all the schools, it's Friday the 13th, so just stating, the schools shut down starting Monday. And so I had to go to the grocery store and make sure that we had some food for the weekend. And I'm not exactly sure what's going on, I guess, with the grocery stores and small businesses. But I just wanted to make sure that my family, we had the necessary items for maybe a week or 2 weeks. And since grocery shopping, I got gas. And then after that, there was a national conference there was a national press conference. And I just wanted to cue in to make sure that I wasn't missing out on anything. Anyways, I wouldn't say I was missing out on anything. Nothing major. And then I squeezed in a doctor's appointment for some medication that I needed to get, just in case I wouldn't be able to get it and I was out in about a couple weeks. So yes, it's been a very busy morning. So back to my food. So we have here spicy orange chicken, green beans, chow mein, and fried rice. And I got my third item. I got fried tofu. Yay! And of course I want some vegetables. And I got some couple free egg rolls and some cookies. Oh, so sweet. So I was on, I'm in this Facebook community group called Asian Hustle Network. And a girl had wrote about her parents. Oh, let's eat first. Itadakimasu. A girl had wrote about her parents' business, kind of, Oh, they're so crunchy. She wrote about her parents' business, experiencing some racism because of the coronavirus. And when I read her story, it was so heart-wrenching to hear that there were people writing fake reports so that businesses would not succeed. And to me, that just, like, people's hard work, it really just put people's hard work and took fear-mongering to a whole new level. And with this current state of emergency that we're in, I mean, it is an emergency. I do understand how, let's get closer. I do understand that it's nothing to take lightly, especially, well, everyone is connected to somebody who's immune compromised, you know? So I do understand that. I myself can be immune compromised. I have alopecia, so when I stress out, when I highly stress out, my hair just falls out as if I, like, postnatal, is it postnatal? Or after birth. I've never given birth, but like after birth, your hair, I heard it falls out a lot. And some hot sauce. So yeah. She said that her parents were receiving less business because people were scared because her parents are they own a Chinese restaurant. And when I went there, they are from China, but they moved to the US 20 years ago. So it's not like anything. They weren't there recently or anything. And they had found out the report through the Carson police. So it really made me sad that people were really going out of their way to really just put people's hard work at risk. And so since it was in Carson and I'm very close by, the orange chicken, it's spicy. It's actually really good. This was my favorite. I got so excited when I saw this. Yeah, I stopped by to get some food, and I got all of this. Oh my god. More spicy. I got all of this for under $10, which is crazy cheap. So good. So shout out to China Bowl Express for this awesome food. Yes. And I really wish them luck. A lot of businesses I know are struggling, so, and people who aren't employed. Well, I just know a lot of people are struggling. And so it really is a time where people need to come together and really just show compassion. I think that's important. At the end of the day, we're all humans. We're all, you know, this is not a disease that discriminates. That's what people say. So by discriminating other people, it's not going to do anything. You know? My hair is so flat. I walked my dog outside, and in about 2 minutes it just started raining a lot. So I ran back inside. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope your businesses are doing well too. If you have any like links to your businesses, or you want some traffic into your business, please write in the comment section below, link your business. Yeah, come join. So how are you preparing for this possible quarantine? At least those who are not in quarantine already and still don't know what to do. let me know in the comments below. Oh, I've been craving fried tofu. So speaking of businesses, I do not have a business, but I am currently hosting a community project that I would like to invite you to join. My community project is called Packed with Love. So what we'll be doing is creating care packages for the homeless. So it's gonna consist of like hygiene products, sanitary products, the essentials, which are kind of gone off the shelves right now, so it kind of sucks. But hopefully after everything kind of slows down a little bit, I have a visitor. You smell. So hopefully after the pandemic slows down a little bit, or not the pandemic, the panic, then we can really start to pick up again where we left off. But right now I'm right now just trying to gather the information, I guess, as a leader for this project that I created, yeah, just ask for some help, not necessarily like donations, but maybe some small businesses that are up to help with the homeless. And right now we have about 20 people, and it's going to be on May 9th. So right now we have about 20 people volunteering, and it's going to be on May 9th in LA at Elysium Park. And what we'll be doing is creating and putting together 500 care packages so that we can donate the care packages to a nonprofit organization that can benefit giving it to the homeless. And so yeah, the donations have been flooding in through my social media outreach, and people sending the information out as well. So now it's just more of the organizing internally, and me reaching out so that people understand where we are. And another way that would be very helpful is outreach. I have spent a lot of time trying to research companies, and the outreach portion has been a little bit stressful, I guess. And whilst looking for a job in a different industry, and oh, good. Also trying to teach myself graphic design. It's just been a lot. So I just realized that trying to do everything on my own is not really what a leader is. And And I joined this class so I can be self-expressed and leader. Well, it's called Self-Expression and Leadership Program. And it's the third course I've taken through the Landmark group. And I knew that a community project or some sort of project would come out of it, so I was really excited about that. I just didn't know where it was going to take me. And it really did take me and test me in certain parts of life. And being that we are in the midst of this pandemic right now, I really do see how it's the timing is just very interesting. But at the end of the day, everybody, rich, poor, young, old, everyone is somehow affected by what's going on in the world. And some people are able to help themselves and others can't. And so in a situation like this, especially when it comes to the homeless people, and we say that hygiene right now is super important, but when you don't have the money to buy like certain basic necessities, I mean, you feel like you're not valued, and every person is valued, and that is the ultimate reason why I wanted to start this project. And on top of just having the basic necessities, each package will have an inspirational message or card, and that's kind of like my little touch, because I love those kind of inspirational quotes. And every person will be writing something. So anyways, I will link all the information down below. And if you have any questions, please email me or comment. Oh, this food is really good. It's been crazy today. Cannot wait to do everything. And then take a break and then watch my new Korean drama called Itaewon Class. It's really, really good. I totally recommend it. Yeah, Itaewon Class, they really talk about class status, race, sexuality, gender equality, and perfect timing to be talking about that. It's really one of those forward dramas. And for any of you who watched Korean dramas, the guy from Fight My Way, I can't remember his name, he's the main character. And apparently he's best friends with one of the BTS members. I can't remember. I want to say V. Or as everyone calls him, Kim. I hope I got it right. Please don't hurt me, BTS fans. You guys are loyal. Very loyal. They're best friends, so He's going to make a guest appearance in one of the upcoming episodes, so I'm excited about that. I have so much food, I'm getting so full. I think I will have to save this for later. Oh, my nose itches. Huh. Don't touch your face. Alright. Well, I'm going to save the rest for later because I am full. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and stay healthy and stay alert, not anxious, right? Yeah. Stay informed. Bye. Hey, get out of there.